So I was part of a first round of reduction in force, and then weeks later they gave everybody a certain amount of notice. So from that, that it was a quick adaptation that I needed to do. One, starting out with this brand new vision, going in a totally new direction of growth and optimism, but then all the way down to, boy, we were down on the floor, everybody, all hands on deck, and we really needed to have singular focus. So that was a particularly challenging, or a particularly difficult challenge to adapt to. But I think we did all right under the circumstances. We did move the ball forward on some of those new initiatives, but then we also quickly adjusted and, lent a hand where needed and came together as a team.